In this video, we'll learn a little bit about du command or disk usage command. This command used to estimate file space usage can be used to track the files and directories which are consuming space. This command have a few options to use with. You can find it by typing du minus minus help or minus minus h. You can find this option. We have a few options here. Minus b capital for don't follow any symbolic link. Minus t small exclude entries smaller than size if possible. Now we will learn about some important option used with the du. First thing, we will use the home directory as what we as a test directory. You can find we haven't anything here, so we can use this directory. First thing we will use it's du minus h for human readable format output. Then type a home. For example, you can find this. We have a 3 subdirectories. Each of one have 12k size, and the last line it's for the ground space or total space. This du minus h. Now we will use du minus sh for home. This will be the last line or the ground space or the total space of this directory you put in this command. We can use minus a for all files and directories. Du minus a for home. You can find anything entire the directory of directories will be output. So again, the last line it's for the ground space or total space usage. We can use du minus ah for readable format home. You can find the difference between the result minus a and the result minus a minus h. Here 4 12, but what is 4? Kilobyte, megabyte, terabyte. Here will be explained this format to be readable. Now we will use minus k. Minus k option display size in kilobytes blocks or in 1024 byte blocks. Let's see. Du minus k for home. You can find we have here in Tarek directory or in test directory we have 12. A 12 it's a 12 kilobyte. So a 12 kilobytes. So the total it's 24 kilobytes as a last line, and again it's for ground space or total space. This option good for some scripting methods. Now we will use du minus ch option. Let's see. Minus c option will be in the last line, line name total. Line name total to output for you the total disk usage for this directory. We can use another option, and this option is exclude. will return the output without the exclude files that put in the file. So in this case, we will create a new file named test.txt. ls use do minus, for example, sh or ch, and to see if this get out or not. Using a, for example, yes, it's here. Now, if we use the same command minus a h with minus minus exclude equal, here between the two quotations we put the expression we want to exclude it from the result of the u command. Here we will put star with .txt will exclude any file with .txt format. Then type the directory here home. Type the directory here home. You can find and difference between result of do minus h command. Here we have here a test, but after we add exclude format we didn't have a test file here, so it will ignore any file that's containing on .txt at end of it. The last option we will talk in this video, it's a time option. So you can do minus ah minus minus time for home. You will get in the output the last modification date for this files. You can find that file we created right now. We created right now. We'll check. You can find my time. My time it's 4 p.m. and 30. Here 4 p.m. and 25. So do command, it's important command. Sometimes take long time for the directory that have size with terabytes, and it's depends on your system hardware and your system speed for the large and big data systems. This what we have in the do command in this video.